By bit, every all-nighter, every sacrifice paid off in full. Now my life's so nice. They used to laugh, call me a bore. Now they knocking on my door. Need a job, need a break, need a chance. While I'm out here leading the dance. Worked hard, years of now living the dream. From late nights grinding to owning the scene. Friends asking for jobs, every all-nighter, every sacrifice paid off in full. Now my life's so nice. They used to laugh, call me a bore. Now they knocking on my door. Need a job, need a break, need a chance. While I'm out here leading the dance. Now I'm the one door party, paying the bill, living the dream. From late nights grinding to owning the scene. I stayed for jobs, no one living like that. Success takes me from playing the scene. They used to wonder how I got bored. Now it's hard work, hustling, sacrifice, pay the price. Now my life's so nice. They want the money, I'm paying the bill, living the dream. From late nights grinding to owning the scene. I see what they do, but I'm still here. Got their back. They see the cause, they living the dream. From late nights grinding to owning the scene. Friends asking for jobs, I'm the one playing me. Success takes me from playing the scene. They want the money, I'm paying the bill, living the dream. From late nights grinding to owning the scene. I see what they do, we will succeed. Shout out to the one that put us on crypto. We winning the prize. He's on the prize. For crypto tips and more, check APlusCrypto.org. Crypto eats the name, keeping you informed. Wait for me in the arm to get good luck charm. Keep stacking sats and stay calm. We will succeed. Shout out to the one that put us on crypto. I stand grinding, partied all night. Focused on my hustle, keeping my goals in sight. 10 years past, now my business is booming. Friends all broke while I'm out here moving. Back in the day, they were living it up. Every weekend popping bottles, not giving a fuck. I was in the lab, plans on my mind. Sacrifice the fun, knowing I'd shine. While they were out, blowing the cash. I was building the future, making it last. Now they come around, asking for a hand. Funny how the tables turn just like I planned. Worked hard, now I'm living the dream. From late nights grinding to owning the scene. Friends asking for jobs, I'm the one they need. Success tastes sweet, I'm playing the scene. Knowing I'd shine, while they were out, blowing the cash. I was building the future, making it last. Now they come around, asking for a hand. Funny how the tables turn just like years of dedication while they were getting lit. I was stacking money, bit by bit. Every all-nighter, every sacrifice paid off in full. Now my life's so nice. They used to laugh, call me a bore. Now they knocking on my door. Need a job, need a break, need a chance. While I'm out here leading the dance. Worked hard, now I'm living the dream. From late nights grinding to owning the scene. Friends asking for jobs, I'm the one they need. Success tastes sweet from planting the seed. Now I'm the one door parties, paying the bill. Flying first class, chasing the thrill. All those nights I stayed in, now paying off. Living life large, no more scoffs. They see the cars, the house, the bling. They wonder how I got there. It's hard work, hustling, sacrifice. Paid the price, now my life's so nice. While they were partying, I was on my grind. Now I can afford to leave it all behind. Friends look at me, see what they lack. But I'm still here, got their back. Worked hard, now I'm living the dream. From late nights grinding to owning the scene. Friends asking for jobs, I'm the one they need. Success tastes sweet, I'm planting the seed. We will succeed. Shout out to the one that put us on crypto. We winning the prize. He's on the prize. For crypto tips and more, check APlusCrypto.org. Crypto eats the name, keeping you informed. Wait for me in the arm to get good luck charm. Keep stacking sats and stay calm. We will succeed. Shout out to the one that put us on crypto. I stand grinding, partied all night. Focused on my hustle, keeping my goals in sight. 10 years past, now my business is booming. Friends all broke while I'm out here moving. Back in the day, they were living it up. Every weekend popping bottles, not giving a fuck. I was in the lab, plans on my mind. Sacrifice the fun, knowing I'd shine. While they were out, blowing the cash. I was building the future, making it last. Now they come around, asking for a hand. Funny how the tables turn just like I planned. Worked hard, now I'm living the dream. From late nights grinding to owning the scene. Friends asking for jobs, I'm the one they need. Success tastes sweet, I'm planting the seed. Blowing the cash, I was building the future, making it last. Now they come around, asking for a hand. Funny so nice. They used to laugh, call me a bore. Now they knocking on my door. Need a job, need a break, need a chance. While I'm out here leading the dance. Worked hard, now I'm living the dream. From late nights grinding to owning the scene. Friends asking for jobs, I'm the one they need. Success tastes sweet from planting the seed. Living life large, no more scars. They see the cars, the house, the bling. They wonder how I got everything. It's hard work, hustle and sacrifice. Paid the price, now my life's so nice. While they were partying, I was on my grind. Now I can afford to leave it all behind. Friends look at me, see what they lack, but I'm still here, got their back. Worked hard, now I'm living the dream. From late nights grinding to owning the scene. Friends asking for jobs, I'm the one they need. Success tastes sweet, I'm planting the seed. We will succeed. Shout out to the one that brought us on crypto. We've been in the prize. He's on the prize. For crypto tips and more, check APlusCrypto.org. Crypto eats the name, keeping you informed. Wait for me in the bomb to your good luck charm. Keep stacking sats and stay calm. We will succeed. Shout out to the one that brought us on crypto. I stand grinding while they partied all night. Focused on my hustle, keeping my goals in sight. 10 years passed, now my business is booming. Friends all broke while I'm out here moving. Back in the day, they were living it up. Every weekend popping bottles, not giving a fuck. I was in the lab, plans on my mind. Sacrifice the fun, knowing I'd shine. While they were out, blowing the cash, I was building the future, making it last. Now they come around, asking for a hand. Funny how the tables turn just like I planned. Worked hard, now I'm living the dream. From late nights grinding to owning the scene. Friends asking for jobs, I'm the one they need. Success tastes sweet, I'm planting the seed. Years of dedication while they were getting lit. I was stacking money, big by big. Every all-nighter, every sacrifice paid off in full. Now my life's so nice. They used to laugh, call me a bore. Now they knocking on my door. Need a job, need a break, need a chance. While I'm out here leading the dance. Worked hard, now I'm living the dream. From late nights grinding to owning the scene. Friends asking for jobs, I'm the one they need. Success tastes sweet from planting the seed. Now I'm the one door parties, paying the bill. Flying first class, chasing the thrill. All those friends asking for jobs.
Okay, boom.
Sweet from planting the seed.
So the first thing before you begin how you should be setting up your charts is why should you listen to me, I guess. I'm going to show you, alright? I've done a lot so far. I made a lot of great predictions. I do have this one script that I wrote. Okay, this script right here. First thing before you I have 337 pushes because it's a pretty good script. It shows you how to do some trading over the 1 hour time frame. Really not going to get into that just yet, but let me show you a couple things. Alright, so this was all the way back in May 20th, 2024. Here in May 20th, 2004, I put post April 19th Bitcoin halving, current bull run trend, major potential, right? So if you click on this, basically what I said here, this was all Bitcoin is next inverted head and shoulders or a large cup. That's what I was expecting for the next move. So I drew this out, this white line. This is what had been in place so far. This is where we were at. We're at about the 63,000 level, the 64,000 level. Okay, I projected us, moving up here as time went on. If we press this play button, and this is just based on some knowledge that I had of what Bitcoin usually does, because I've been in this market for so long. But if you go ahead and press this play button, button, you know, I was a few, what is this? 4,000 left, okay? I projected us, here we are, December, and I said it should have been September. So I was a couple months off. I did think we was going to come down and then break out from there. We did get a rejection. Things don't always happen exactly as planned. We did get a rejection and come down and use some of these lines as support before we did break up. And here is where we're at right now. If we go into, and this was all the way back, keep in mind though guys, May 2024. I did think we was going to come down. Have some other predictions, we can go back even further. I see this cup and handle, if we go, I mean this inverted head and shoulders, all the way back in August 21st, 2023. Here we go. It said Bitcoin is going to create an inverted head and shoulders on me, and I think that was supposed to be the 1 month time frame. On the monthly, and shoot up as it does every single bull market prior. Now every single bull market we have a similar type move, okay? So here at this time we're at $26,000 guys, and I was projecting us to be at $98,000, okay? And at the time when I was predicting this, a lot of people thought I was crazy and out of my mind. If you press this play button though, as you look, not only did we hit my target almost right on the money, right? Like literally guys, right on the money. We have actually already passed that. Now keep in mind, this was posted August 21st, 2023. This was posted to my YouTube channel. This was posted on my TradingView. This was posted on my TikTok. Now if we go up here, okay, this was one of my more recent posts. And this is after Bitcoin had already moved up a little bit. I said our head and shoulders patterns on the Bitcoin 1 week. So here you have your shoulder, your head, ugly big head, but whatever. And then we're in the process of forming another shoulder. I said there's two options that we can take from this point when we're at 54,000. We could have went down to this 46,000, went up and down a little bit here, consolidating, and then we could have blasted up, or we could have just took off right from where we're at. Now if I press this play button guys, what do you think happened? Forming another shoulder. I said there's two options that we did take just slightly longer than I expected for us to take off from there. But as you can see right now, currently, like we're literally right on my projected target. Alright, so I do have some idea of what I'm doing in this market. Now that you know I have some idea of what we're doing in this market, I want to show you this. Bitcoin to 431,000 according to historic moves. Now, I went down and posted this similar chart all the way back here with the Bitcoin 1 week lifetime trends, where I was calling the actual bottom. And we can get to that if you want, but we're not going to really get to that. I was calling the bottom at about 16K. We did break a little bit below that and we went to 15K, but you know, that's close enough when we're talking about not even a whole percent when it comes to Bitcoin moves. That's pretty good. As you can see here, this was posted all the way in June 31st, 2022. And you can see this chart right here is very, very, very similar to the chart we're about to look at right here. It has very similar lines, but this one was made in June 2024. As you can see here, this was made a year later, so this has some updated information. So we're going to go look at this chart really quick, okay? And you can see now this chart is predicting Bitcoin to at least hit 431,000 with a potential chance of all the way up to 2 million. This one was made, guys, I know that seems crazy. People, when I say this to people, like they just don't understand. But these green lines were the halvings, right? So these green lines were the halvings. This was the move in 2017. This square yellow box is the size of the move from 2017. This is the move from 2021, the most recent bull market we had. This purple box is the size of the move from 2021. This green line right here is the halving, right around when I made this chart a little bit after, and made this prediction, right? So all I'm doing is taking this move that we made in 2021, which I think this move wasn't our full move because we started going up and then COVID came. And I don't think that was fair to the market. I think that stopped our bull run early. I think we should have hit 100K last bull run. It's a shame that we didn't, and this COVID COVID mess happened. But whatever. So I still incorporated that into our potential chance. We started going up and then COVID came. This is the 2017 move. I feel it's more likely we're going to do a move like
I think
this.
we should have hit
All right, maybe not to the full extent of this, but let me show you something. So if we come here, let's just zoom into this a little bit, and we take a look. This is where I said once we get into here, good things are going to start. All right, Bitcoin was at around 70,000. It was at our all-time high. People were saying it was going to get rejected. People were saying it was going to go down. So let me go ahead and hit this play button for you and show you what happened so far, and we take a look. So pretty much once we entered this box, that became the portion where we're supposed to be doing our move. Now we did almost faked myself out actually a couple times during this. I did get a little bearish. If you look, you know, we wicked all the way down to my support line one time. I guess you can call this 2 times. So pretty much about every single, this is a monthly chart. Every single month we ended up closing in this box. So finally, when we stopped these fake outs, we started moving up, and then we moved up very, very rapidly all the way point where this is where we are right now. I guess you can so I want to show you something, right? Every single here we go. Monthly chart. Every single month we ended up. All right. So Bitcoin was below all of this. Comes up, comes down, touches this red line. Okay. Then Bitcoin comes all the way down, touches this green. Okay. This ended up being our bottom. This wick right here. I want to stabilized in this area right here. Once we broke out, it was to the moon, back up to the red line. So that's pretty much happened in our yellow box. Right? Went all the way to this red line. So in this yellow box, we started off at $604, and we finished it all the way up at $18, $19, $20, $21,000. It depends on what exchange you were on. It depends on how you want to look at it by the close of the week. That's pretty much bottom line.